Hey guys, welcome back for another video. If you're watching this video, you have probably run into the issue where the keyboard on your Android phone is typing really slow. You might be typing the text on your keyboard and it might be taking a couple of seconds to appear in the text box. Now this really slows down your typing speed and makes it really inconvenient to have a quick conversation with your friends. I'm going to show you how I was able to quickly fix this issue on my Android phone. Before we get started, do make sure you click the subscribe button to be subscribed to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified of the latest updates. Alright, let's get started. The keyboards on our Android phone are designed to have predictive text abilities, and to make use of this ability, the keyboard app keeps saving information about your typing habits in the app's memory. Whenever you type words or phrases, the keyboard tends to remember your typing habits and helps you to type sentences faster by predicting the next word you're going to type by showing all these predictive text inputs just below the text box. Now, over time, as the keyboard keeps building this information, it starts using a lot of storage and the keyboard app tends to become slow. So to fix this, what you need to do is go into the settings on your Android phone and go into the apps. Depending on which version of Android you're using, you might need to click on this button here and enable show system apps. Once you've done that, just hit the search bar and search for board, because the keyboard app can be named differently on different phones. On my phone, it's called the Samsung keyboard. On other phones, it may be called the Gboard or some other name. But board usually is a common phrase for the keyboard app by which you can search it. Once you've found the keyboard, go into the storage option on the keyboard app. Hit clear cache to clear the cached data. This should help speed up your keyboard. And if this does not help as well, you can just click clear data, which will clear up all the predictive text information that the keyboard had stored for you. With this, you may no longer see the common phrases that you used to see before for you, but the keyboard will start typing significantly faster and it will rebuild the predictive text again. So within a couple of weeks, as you keep typing, the predictive text inputs should start showing the phrases that you commonly use again. And if a few months down the line, the keyboard becomes slow again, all you need to do is go into the keyboard app again, remove the cache and clear the data if you need to. I hope this fix helped you resolve the issue with your keyboard. Do leave a like, do leave your comments in the feedback and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.